பாலாஜி. நாங்கள் எல்லாருமே இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ். இது வந்துட்டு எங்கள் டீம் நாங்கள் ஒரு ப்ராஜெக்ட் பண்ணியிருக்கோம். எங்கள் ப்ராஜெக்ட் என்னென்னா ப்ரிப்பரேஷன் ஆஃப் ஃபீனால். ஸோ எப்படி இன்ஜினியரிங் ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் நாங்களே வந்துட்டு என்னென்ன கெமிக்கல்ஸ் ஆட் பண்ணி நம்ம வந்துட்டு ஃப்ளோருக்கும் எந்த ஆபத்தும் இல்லாமல் எல்லாருக்குமே எவ்வளோ சேஃபாக இருக்குன்றதை பற்றி தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்க போகிறோம். ஸோ திஸ் இஸ் மை டீம் அண்ட் ஸோ லெட் மீ இன்ட்ரோடியூஸ் ourselves. Myself Amrita from CSE department.
Myself Janvi from Department of ECE. I'm Jay Shalimani from CSE department.
I'm Sharon from Mechanical department.
I'm Ruben from Civil department.
I'm Atish from Civil department. I'm Anandu from Mechanical department.
ஸோ இங்கே நீங்கள் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா மிக்சர் ஆஃப் டிபார்ட்மெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்கும் சிவில், மெக்கானிக்கல், சிஎஸ்சி, இசிஇ எல்லாருமே. ஸோ நாங்கள் எல்லோரும் சேர்ந்து நாங்கள் வந்துட்டு எப்படி இதை பண்ணோம், என்னென்ன நாங்கள் ஆட் பண்ணி நாங்கள் பண்ணோம் சேஃபாக இருக்கிறதுக்குன்றது தான் இந்த வீடியோ. Hi friends, so let's see how we are going to prepare the phenol. So the required components are 2 liters of water. Then we have taken the phenol compound. So this thing we have prepared by ourselves, by mixing the components liquid soap solution 500 ml, turpentine oil 200 ml, pine oil 300 ml and citronal oil 50 ml. So when we mix all these oils, we get this phenol compound. In outside shop you can also ask phenol compound and you can mix it. Then we have used the perfume solution, and perfume solution also we have prepared mixing phenol oil, liquid solution and perfume. So for this perfume you all can also use regularly what we are using in our day-to-day life. So a cup of thing smell is enough for this. Then we have used the coloring agent so that phenol, if you all like to be having phenol in white color, then you can use it like that even. If you want in rose color or in any other green anything, you all can add the coloring agents. So let's see how we are going to mix it.
Guys, well, now we are going to show you how we are going to prepare phenol. At first, we have to take 2 liters of water and pour it in a container. This is 2 liters of water and we are going to pour it inside. Now we have taken 2 liters of water and we have approximate percentage. For 2 liters of water, we are only going to pour 100 ml of phenol component into it. So we are going to measure it and pour it into it.
So we have taken 100 ml.
Now we are going to just pour it into the water. We have to stir very slowly so that no bubbles are formed inside it, and we have to stir it till it becomes white. Guys, we have to stir it very slowly so that no bubbles are formed inside the solution, and then we have to prepare it in such a way that it should become white color and no residue of the oil should be left inside the water. Next, we are going to add a little scent into it so that it smells good and we can use it for our future use. For this also there is an approximate value. For 2 liters of water we are just going to pour only 5 ml of scent into it. This cap is 5 ml and we are going to use it for pouring inside it. Now we have poured 5 ml of scent into it and we have to stir it well. After stirring it properly, we can customize it for our personal use, such as like different colors like rose. Now here we are going to use just rose color. You can customize different colors like powders and we can mix it in that so that we can use it for our personal use in different various colors. We are going to use rose color. This rose color we are just going to use till we need the required color. That's all. Now guys, as you see, we have prepared our phenol with a customized rose color. Now we are just going to pour it into the container. Stop stirring. Now guys, as you see, we have prepared a rose color phenol and we can use it for our personal use. We create this for our own purpose, we sell it and we use it as a pocket money, as a profit.
So past few months we have been doing this and we have been connecting this, like selling this to the NGO organizations and we have got profited. The purpose for what we are being uploaded this video is, as engineers, like normal students, we got motivated. Like we get some profit from this. Like we get NGO connections, like services organizations, and we get more knowledge, and we just get profit from this. And like you all too can get motivated, and you all too can bring some innovative ideas, and you all too like it will be a base for your future entrepreneurship. So all the best, and thank you for watching.